everyone. My name is Tasneem. I'm the Senior Manager at 98 Percentile in the HR department. And today we did a wonderful drive with XLR. It was amazing right from the very beginning, from the very first day when I got in touch with them till today. I think it was an extremely smooth journey with them. There were multiple follow-ups done by the representatives in order to check that we would be, what time we would be coming, how many people would be coming, what vehicle we would get. To that extent, they were so precise in giving all the information to us. It was extremely great to get associated with them and have a drive at XLR campus. So we are very, very happy that we got a chance to do this. Now, coming to the students, what XLR had, I think they were extremely enthusiastic. They were well prepared. They were aware of what they are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and XLR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Sharma and I'm the Senior Project Manager for IT Department at 90th Percentile. So today we were here for this IT Bootcamp, right, this technical drive and at XLR. So it was a great experience and I would feel that the students, they are the freshers, right, but it doesn't seem like that. So if I talk about their technical and cognitive ability, they all seems pretty good in that and that's what I felt. And I guess they have been taught pretty well at XLR, so that's how they have performed good in their aptitude and the technical tests. So I wish them all the best and it was a very great experience over here.
Hi, this is Patan, Technology Consulting Manager from 98th Percentile. We visited XLR for the campus placement drive and it went very well today. Miss Ambika, Miss Pragati, everyone received us greatly here and we had a lot of enjoyable time here. The students even had great experience with us. They were interactive, they had good aptitude and all the technological skills they showed. I think they were all well and we really appreciate their time that they spared to us and I think we will be doing a great job. We are expecting a lot of people to be hired from them. Let's see. it was a great experience altogether.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
From entering into the cyber tower to exiting out of this tower, the XLR team has been received me with such a care and pleasure.
I am the part of this XLR since 4 months. From the third month itself, they have conducted the placement sessions from the third month itself, and this is the fourth month, and this is the 98th percentile is one of the placement drive I have attended so far, and attending to this drive is such a good experience for me. All the HRs and the team made us feel very comfortable and confident.
XLR helped me a lot, and I experienced a lot of things today. So I'm really hope to be placed in that company. I'm confident about that. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Let us wait for a couple of minutes, then we'll start. Okay, Namar?
Yes, sure.
Because people are still joining. We'll wait for
Yeah,
a
wait.
couple of minutes. Okay. So let us start, guys. I think you all able to hear my voice clearly now. Am I audible to you all clearly? I got only one response. I don't know. Chalutta. Good. Very good. So let me show you the agenda for today. Sorry. So actually it is the day 6, but one day is extended. These are the collections we need to talk about. List, set, map, and iterators. Iterator, this I will explain today. Okay, yesterday, I don't know how many of you are there in the meeting. At the end of the session, I explained about the arrays. Correct? Explained about the arrays. So there are some limitations with the arrays or disadvantages with the arrays. What are they? Can anybody write in the chat box? The limitations or disadvantages with the arrays. Limitations. Okay. Say for suppose, if I write an array like this, if I write an array like this, so integer type array where 10 is the size. First limitation is fixed in size. Fixed in size. It means you cannot store more than 10 at any cost. You cannot increase the size of the array during runtime. So, thought that you are think that you are going to store the here marks of 10 students. You thought that there will be 10 students. That's why you created array of with 10 size. But in the runtime, unfortunately, I got 11 students. Can I store the 11 student marks in this array? No, I cannot store. Because arrays are fixed in size. We cannot increase the size of array during runtime. That is one thing. Another thing is, see, I thought that there will be 10 students. That's why I declared the array with 10 students. But I got only 5 students in the runtime. Can I decrease the size to 5 here during runtime? Answer is no again. You cannot change the size once if you assign the size to the array. So here two problems are there. In the first case, if more data to be stored than fixed size, it is not possible. And if less data is stored, you are wasting the memory. That is one disadvantage with the arrays. Another disadvantage is, see here, arrays are homogeneous. Homogeneous in nature. homogeneous in nature in the sense they can hold as per the definition. Many of you are is given an answer yesterday. Arrays are a collection of similar data elements or collection of same data elements. Like that, you have given the answer yesterday. It means what? You can store only one type of data. So because here ARR is declared as an integer, int. That's why you can store only integer here, not other types like zeros, double values, string values, any other type except integers you cannot store. What if you have different data elements during runtime? It's not possible. And of course, it's not good to store the homogeneous data in the collection always. Heterogeneous collection in the heterogeneous in the sense different data elements. It is not good to store the heterogeneous data in the collection every time. I'll tell you that why later. So the solution for all these problems are collections. Collection is a group of objects of same type or different types. See, collection API is there. Nothing but a collection framework or collection API. Nothing but set of interfaces and classes which are used to deal with the collections are called as a collection API. All these classes and interfaces are available in java.util package. Java.util. So actually the hierarchy is like this. There is a collection interface. Collection, it is an interface from which list is derived, which is also an interface, list interface, and set interface. And also there is one more interface called as a map interface. Map interface. I means here interface. So because these are the interfaces, we cannot use them directly. We should have the implemented classes. As I told you yesterday, we need implemented classes for the interfaces. So for set, see here, for list, array list, linked list are the implemented classes. For set, hash set, tree set is the implemented classes. For map, hash map, tree map is the implemented classes. So let us go to what is list and what is set. When to go for the list and when to go for the set. And then I will come to the when to go for the map. What is the map? See, set is a group of data or objects where objects will be stored. Object will be stored in order. It is called as a ordered collection. It is called as a stored in order. In which order you store, in the same order they will store in the collection. And it is a array based, index based collection. Index based collection in the sense, like we are storing elements in the array, we can also store the elements in the not set, list. It is set, list. List is a group of objects where objects will be stored in the order. Stored in the order. Hope you understand. So I'll tell you how to do that. Say for suppose, go to our IntelliJ IDEA. IntelliJ IDEA. Now what I can do is I will create one more package for today. New package. Day 6. Okay. And I am taking a new Java class. List demo. I'm taking like this. List demo. In the main method, what you have to do is list is an interface which is in java.util. List equal to new array list. Array list is the implemented class. Array list is the implemented class. So it's a empty list. We can create like this empty list. So once if we create a list, array list, how many elements you can store here? How many objects you can store in the list? You can store as many as you want. There is no limit. So what will be the size? Size will be increased if you add the elements. Size will be decreased if you delete the elements, like that. So as if now there is no elements. So if you call the method size method, this size method is used to know the size of the list, which is defined in the list interface, If I run this program, see what happens. Yes. See, 0 is printed, 0. So it means there is no elements here. Size is 0. And then how to add the elements? List.add method is there. Here we can add. See, I have added one element. Now the size is 1. And if you wanted to print the list, println list. See guys, observe how they are storing. See here, this is all called as a one list, totally one collection, list collection. In that collection, only one element is there. If you want to add the one more, call the add method again. Now run. See, we have 2 elements. Like that, we can add the more elements to the collection list using the add method. It is a predefined method in the list interface, so that you can add the elements in the list like this. Array list is the implemented class, whereas list is the interface. Since we cannot create the list object because it is an interface, you need to store the subclass object in the this interface, and then we can call like this. So now I wanted to add the double value. Yes, we can simply add the double value like this. It is possible. If you wanted to add the string value, we can add the string value. See, like this. So if you observe here, the first value I added 20, which is there in the first position. Second value is there in the second position. Third value is there in the third position. That's why it is called as a list is called as a ordered collection. Clear all of you? Ordered collection. In the order you are storing, in the same order they are storing in the collection. Correct? They are appearing. So like this. Clear now? So this is how to add. What method we have to call the for adding the methods objects to the collection? What method? Can you all write in the chat box? What method for adding? Add method. Is it the predefined method or user defined method? Predefined method or user defined? Predefined method. In which interface this method is there? In which interface? List interface. Very good. List interface. Correct. List interface. Very good. So like add method, this is for adding. This is for adding. What else we can do? We can remove also, na? Remove. For remove, there is a method. How you can remove? List.remove method. I told you it is a overloaded method. If I give 0, na, it takes 0 index value. It removes the 0 index value. See here what happens. If you remove, what happens? If you remove, before printing I am removing and then printing the list. All of you listen. See here. So actually before removing also I will print list, then after removing also I will print. See, we got before removing at 0 index value 20 was there. After removing at 0 index value 30 is there. What happened here? Can you observe? The next value is shifted one position left. See, 30 is shifted to one position left. All values after 20 are shifted one position left. Okay. So in the same way, if you add, na, say for suppose it is removing. If I add remove dot list dot add, what you can do is you can specify a position where you wanted to add the element also, like 2 parameters we can pass. So index based. So what this method will do is it will add the 79 at 2 index value. The 2 index value 0, 1, 2, 56 is there. Let me execute this and show you how it will be executed. So here 0 index value, earlier it was 56, now it is 79. Then what happened? The next elements, one position shifted to right side. So every time if you insert or delete, shifting the operation will be performed in the list. Okay, no? So what happens here? What happens here? This shifting operation takes lot of time. Correct? So if your frequent operation is insertion or deletion in between the middle or in the middle of the collection, or your frequent operation is the deletion or insertion, it is not, the array list is not the preferable collection, because every time if you add or remove, some shifting operation is performed. How many of you know the linked list? Linked list. How many of you know linked list? How the linked list works? How the linked list works? Do you all know? How the linked list works? Linked list contains the nodes like this: node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4 like that. All the nodes will be connected with the references. If you have two reference connections here, that is called as a doubly linked list, like this. So it is the rear end, it is the front end and rear end. If both are connected, then that is called as a circular linked list. In the data structures, you might studied about that. So every node will have address from the previous node, address to the next node, and actual data value in the node, actual data. So here data will be there. In the same way, every node will contain the address to the previous, address to the next, and the data. So in case if you wanted to add the one more element in between this, what we can do is you can disconnect these connections, and you will add the connections of this node to here, correct? And you can add the connections. Here shifting operation is not required here. So in the same scenario, there is one more class called as a linked list. Instead of array list, we can also create the linked list. So this array list is implemented based on the growable array data structure. Linked list is implemented based on the doubly linked list data structure. So now it takes less time if your frequent operation is insertion or deletion in the middle. It won't shift all the nodes. Instead, it disconnects the addresses of one node and connects to the another node. That's why. So it takes less time to comparatively other array list. So here, on what basis this collection is implemented? Growable array. Growable array. So the growable array data structure, what happens? If you add the elements, it will grow. If you delete the elements, it will shrink. But here it is not like that. It is implemented on the linked list, doubly linked list. Hope you all understand this. Clear, guys? So if you clear about this, yeah. Okay. Next tell me what kind of collection it is. I am taking array list only. What kind of collection? Kind in the sense whether it is homogeneous collection or heterogeneous collection. Homogeneous or heterogeneous. Heterogeneous in the sense different types. Homogeneous in the sense same type. So collections doesn't restrict you to store only one type of data until unless you specify. As if now it can take any kind of data, correct? So it becomes the heterogeneous data. So heterogeneous data, storing heterogeneous data is not good for all the operations. See, for printing, storing, for deleting, that's okay. So I'll tell you one operation, sorting. I wanted to sort all these elements into a, before that I will remove these two elements, different type of elements. List.add of 10. List.add of 11. I'm giving like this. If you wanted to sort it, what you can do is, there is one class called as a collections class. Collections class. In that sort method is there, where you can give the list. Here it will take the list. See, collections.sort method, what it will do is it automatically sorts the elements into the order. Because these are the numbers. Numbers will be sorted according to the natural sorting order, which is ascending order. So if I run this program, see what happens. See, all elements are sorted in the ascending order. All elements are sorted. If you see here, in the first element I was added the 20, but here first element is 10 because we called the sort method. So while sort method, what happens here is the first element will be compared with the second element, and they will be sorted based on the criteria. In the same way, the comparisons will be made on the all the elements until they sorted into the order. While sorting, comparing, they must be of same type. Integers can be compared with the integers. Strings will be compared with the strings only. Like employee can be compared with the employees. Students can be compared with the students, like that. So what happens if you try to add the other elements? See here, 56 is there, which is the double value, need to be compared with the integer value. In this case, our program will throw an exception called as a class cast exception. See, we got an exception, runtime exception called as a class cast exception. Integer cannot be casted to the double. It is saying like that. It means having the heterogeneous collection is not good idea always, until unless required. It is not good to store the heterogeneous collection. So what we can do is, it is better to store the, even though there is a possibility, it is always better to store the homogeneous collection. So in this case, what we can do is, you can specify a generic type here. If you wanted to store the integers, integer class we need to give, integer. See, integer. So since I given integer here, integer, so it will allow to add the only integers. While storing double value, compiler is giving the error. So it means we cannot run the program until you compile it. During compile time only we are getting the problem here. So if you remove this, our program will be compiled successfully. In the same way, if you wanted to store double values, we need to take the double class here. If you wanted to store the strings, string class we need to take here. Do you all clear up to this, guys? Okay. Okay then. Then come to, see, I have a list here. I have a list. I am printing the list. I am printing the list. See here. Sort, after sort I have to print. Okay. After sort I am printing. Listen. All of you. See. It is printed. See what happened here is, it is printed as a collection, single object. There is a rectangular bracket here. In between rectangular brackets, objects are there. That is a single object. I need 10 separately. I need 20 separately. I need 11 separately, like that. What you can do is, you can get the value like this. System.out.println list.get method you can use. Zero index value you can give. Zero index value. So that it will print the zero index value at the zero index value. Correct, na? So this is how we can take. Now I wanted to take all the elements. What we need to do? You have to use the for loop. Correct? For int I equal to 0, I less than list dot size, then I plus plus. Then in place of 0, you can take the iteration. So this is called as iteration. You are iterating from one to another. See, we are getting like this. What you can do is, same operation, you can do with the, there is one interface called as a iterator of integer. Since this list contains the integer, this iterator also contains the integers. ITR is equal to list dot iterator. So this iterator, what happens now? It will return all the elements of the list into iterator. It is like a cursor. The cursor moves from one position to another position, one position to another position. In the same way, we can move cursor from one position of the iterator to another position. Then we will fetch the values from that position. So what we need to do is, there is one method called as a itr dot has next method. What this method will do is, this method returns true if next object is there. If next object is not there in the iterator, it returns false. Since I am using while loop, this while loop repeats until this becomes the loop. So after that, what we can do, you can use the itr dot next method. Instead of repeating that index position like this, you can use the iterator to do the same operation. Of course, we have some advantages over using the iterator. Okay, so like this, what I wanted to do is, now if next element is 10, see, I will take the element like this, ele is equal to itr dot next. What I can do is, if ele is equal to 10, then I wanted to remove that. What you can do is, directly you can call the itr dot remove method. That method will be removed like that. After that, remaining values will be printed. Hope you understand. Guys, ITR for iteration, for moving one position of the one object to another object in the collection, we can use the iterator. Clear now, all of you? List. Now, since we have taken here integer as a type here, it will allow only integers. Because if you allow to store any kind of elements, during sorting we got a problem. To avoid such a kind of problems during runtime, don't store the different kind of elements into the collection. Hope you understand. Clear? Now come to set example, set demo. Here, see, set, let me tell you, I will take here integers, homogeneous collection, integer. Set is equal to new has set implemented class. See, if you observe here, for set, has set and tree set is the implemented classes. Let me explain about has set. Then I will go to the tree set. For a has set, if I store the elements like this, 30, I added first, then added 10, set dot add of 20, set dot add of some 34, something like that I stored. Now, if I print the set, see what happens. Set, I am printing set. Let me execute it. See, when did I store the 34 at last? But it is there in a first position. So it means that set is called as a unordered collection, not ordered collection. Like list, list is a ordered collection. If you store 20 first time, it will be there in the first element only. Damn sure. In the zero index value, it will be there. But here, we are not guaranteed that 30 will be there in zero index value, because has set is an unordered collection. If you store in one order, they will be stored in the another order based on the hash value. It's not we don't have a time to how they will be stored in the collection. There is one algorithm is there, hash calculation. According to the hash, they will be stored in the hash table and they will be remapped. That is all. It's not time to explain to you guys. So as if now, what is the difference between set and list? List is a ordered collection. Set is unordered collection. What is the implemented class for the set? What is the implemented classes for the set? Has set. Okay, it is the has set. There is one more implemented class for the set, that is called as a tree set. Let us see. Tree set. I am changing this to the tree set. Now see what happens. See, what is the change you observed here? How they are printed? Can you all tell me? Yes, what is the change you observing here? See, if I take the tree set, how the elements are stored. So what happens? Tree set is what happens whenever you add the elements to the tree set, all the elements will be sorted automatically according to the natural sorting order. Since we stored the numbers here, numbers will be stored in the ascending order. That's why 10 came first, to 20, 30 and 34 is came first. Next, like that. So tree set is a sorted collection, sorted set. We can call it as a sorted set. It means what? All the elements storing to that collection will be automatically sorted according to their natural sorting. Unlike list, I called the collections.sort method for sorting, because it won't sort the elements automatically. But here, no need to call the collections.sort method. You can take the tree set, and for that you can add the elements, then automatically they will be sorted. Got it, all of you? Minimum to maximum, correct. Okay, and there is one more collection here, map. For map, see, for map, come to map demo, then followed by main class. Map contains key and value pairs. What it means? Guys, after this session, if after completion of this topics, our colleague wants to take a snap or screenshot of all the meeting pictures you need to come on to video. Please prepare to turn on video if I complete the concepts. Maybe next half an hour to 20 minutes to half an hour, I will complete the remaining topics. After that, you need to switch on your camera so that our colleague will take the screenshot. So if you are not prepared, I can understand because you are taking the session from your home. Maybe you are not prepared to switch on your camera. Please be prepared. We have 10 more minutes. We need a screenshot of your pictures. That's it. Hope you understand. Clear now, guys? Do you understand? Iterator, I will come again. Iterator, you are asking to explain about the Nani, you are asking about iterator. Definitely, I will come back again. Let me explain about the map. Map contains the key and value pairs. See, whenever you wanted to store two values at a time. So here we are storing one value. Here also we stored only one value. If you wanted to store two values, I wanted to store employee ID and project ID to which is mapped in a one entry. So I have to hold two values at a time. Like student name and branch ID. I want like that. Or else student ID and faculty to whom he is mapped, like that. Students information, faculty's information, both I wanted to store at a single entry. So in case if you wanted to store two values at a time as a key and value pair, we need to go for the map. Understand? Map is an interface. Again, it takes two values. Integer is the key. So keys are integer types. String values are string type. It is not required to take the two different types here. Maybe you take same types also, key and value pairs also, same, maybe same type. Like that. Map equal to new hash map. Again, you can take like this, integer comma string. This is the map collection. Map. Every item which is called as an entry, I'll tell you. Map dot, what method I have to call for adding? What method? For adding? I got one answer. Add method. No, add method is only for the collection. It is for the put method. Put 101, some name. Think that it is a roll number and name of the student. Like that. Map dot put 102, comma Kumar. Something like that. Map dot put 103, comma Abhinav, like that. So now if you print map, see we got the, actually how many entries I added? We call it as a one entry. Each key and value pair is called as an entry. How many entries I added? Totally I added 3 entries, but here what happens? Only 2 entries are there. Why? Because keys cannot be duplicated, but values can be duplicated. Very simple logic. See, there will not be two students with the same ID. but there will be more than one student with the same name. So the ID here key always a unique value. So if I take 3 now, 3 entries it will create. Hope you understand. Okay, clear now? 3 entries. Now how to get the values? So if you have map.get, if you give the key, it will return the value. It will return the value. So you can also check. You can also take a contains key method. You can check whether 101 is there in the map or not. It returns false because 101 is not there. False. If I take 101, it returns true. See, like that. What you can do is you can take all keys as a set. There is a method called as a map.keySet method. It returns all the keys as a set. Because keys are integer types, we can take the integer type here. Then print the keys. So now it will get the all keys separately. See, we got all keys. In the same way, we have values method also. It will return all values, but this time it will return as a collection of strings, because values are strings type. Values. This kind of. So if I run this now, we'll get all values separately. Values. See, we got all values separately, all keys separately. And it is a map. Map is collection of entries where each entry is a key and value pair. Hope you understand now. Yes. So there is one more class called as a tree map. Let me show you that also. Before that, I will change the order here. 2, 3 I am taking. Here I will take 3, 103 and 102. They are not in the order. Say if I print now, if I print, see they are 101, 102, still they are 102, 103. But we cannot guarantee this order. But if you take the tree map here, then all the elements will be sorted according to their keys, natural sorting order. That is the only difference. See, now they are sorted into the order. Okay, now that is the only difference. Like tree set, tree map sorts all the entries according to their natural sorting order of the keys. So 3 collections: list, set, map. List and set holds the single value, map holds the 2 values at a time, key and value pairs. First thing. Second thing is, list is ordered collection. It means in which order you are storing to the collection. In the same order they will be stored. set is unordered collection. So it won't follow your order. Instead, it will follow their own order. Hope you all understand. And then iterator here, many of you are asking about the iterator. So what I wanted to do is, sorry. See, what I wanted to do is here, see, I wanted to print all the elements. I wanted to do a common operation from this to this one, first element to last element. Okay. In that case, what we need to do is we need to create one cursor on this object. That cursor is called as an iterator. Say for suppose, if this is the collection, and these are the elements, the cursor position head will be pointing to the first element. Before the first, not first, before the first, like this. And in the iterator, there is a method called as a has next method. That has next method returns true if next element is there from this pointer. If it is true, I wanted to take this value using the next method. There is a method called as a next method in the iterator that returns the next value. And then this pointer will move to the one position right side. Then again, if you call the iterator dot has next method, and it will check whether it is the next element is there or not. Like that, with the while loop, I will repeat the has next method calling until it returns the false. If it returns false, it means there is no next element. So we can iterate the values from one position to another, one to another. For that, we need to call the iterator method. It will return iterator object. Iterator. So iterator will contain the integers because list contains integer. Iterator also will contain integers. So call the while itr dot as next method. As next method. See here, if it returns true in the sense next element is there. Take that next element into x. Itr dot next method. Call this method. This method returns the next value. Then print the x. So just for moving the cursor one object to another object, we will use this iterator. Hope you understand. Many of you are asking about repeat the iterator. Do you got now, all of you? Iterator. If it is clear, okay. So is there any questions till now up to this class? Nice. Okay. In case if you don't have, please, Amar, can you initiate that?
Oh yeah, sure. So before that, I would just like to take the snap. So I'm requesting all participants to turn on their camera. And
please, guys, it's a request from my side and my all of team. All of you switch on your camera.
can you please stop screen sharing? Then we're able to see the full screen of the participants.
Sure.
Guys, wait a moment, just 2-3 minutes. Then let us capture the snaps. Then we'll proceed further. Okay. One more minute, guys. Huh? Okay, yeah, sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. You can turn off your.
Thank you very much, Amar.
Yes.
Guys, all the best. Hope I given my level best within the short term time. I hope I given clear idea about the all the concept which I have taken here. All the best. I think Amar will proceed to you for the remaining process. Okay, Amar. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much, all of
Thank
you.
you.
And, yes. So, guys, we're done with this training program, and it's time to go for the test. Okay. So, test description will be like total number of questions are 47, total number of marks 100. Test time, we're just starting, so it's 7:30. Test will be end at 8:30. So you have 1 hour of time. Okay. So I'm sharing the test link. Okay. I'm sharing the test link in the Zoom and YouTube as well. So I'm requesting all of you, please go ahead and start giving your test. Just 1 minute, I'm sharing that. If I'm talking about the test, who is asking me about the attendance? Your time start now. You can start filling your test. I'm sharing the screen for more description, for more better understanding. You can go to the screen once. Guys, you can turn off your camera. But don't be like you are going to use the Google and all these things, because anyway, you're going to live with yourself only, not with us, right? So just give 100% and all the best. I hope all of you are able to access the test. You are able to see my screen and my voice is loud and clear. If somebody can confirm me, that will be great for me. Oh, I think all of you are facing the test now. But there are 2 responses. Wonderful. Thank you, Shamla and Shravani. Thank you, Usha. Okay, guys, I confirm from my side, you can continue with your test. If you are facing any difficulty, not regarding the test, regarding any technical point, like you're not able to access the test or anything else, let me know. Okay. Dr. S. Srinivasan. So I'm requesting you, please drop an email to ADL team. They will check and they will let you know. Okay. How to write the exam? So participant, I shared the link in the chat box. You have to click on that link. It will take you through the Google form, and you have to submit that once all questions are done. Okay. guys, be there till the last minute because I have a couple of announcement, and you have to mark the attendance as well regarding to the certificates, upcoming programs, and I'm going to show the toppers of this test as well. So please be there till the last moment. Okay. Bhagyashree, what's your question? You raised the hand, na? So if you have question, let me know in the chat box. guys, you have 30 more minutes. So make sure that you are submitting your assessment by sharp 8:30. Okay. If you're going to try by 8:31 to submit that, you are not able to submit. Take your time, but submit on a time. Okay. Don't worry, I will give you one more reminder. Like 10 minutes ago or 5 minutes ago. So you can continue. Yes, Prashant, what's your query? You raised the hand. Guys, those who are asking me for the attendance link, I'm not going to share it now. You can submit your test, let others submit the test, and then we'll share the attendance link in the last 5 minutes, okay? So don't worry about that. Prashant, you can post your question in the chat box, then I will help you out the same. And if you're done with your test, let me know your marks. So Sai is asking me, can I take the test tomorrow morning or else I need to take it now only? You have to submit now only because the test will be closed at 8:30 sharp. Cesar Khan, what's your question? Can you please post in the chat box? Yes, you can click on that link again. If you're already submitted, now you're able to see your mark as well. How much marks in Java assessment one? You only marking your test, na? So you only know that, Manikanta. Please provide the attendance link. Attendance will be shared at last of the session. So don't worry about that. We'll share the attendance link. Okay. Done with the test. With the how many marks you got? You are able to see that option. View your score. Okay. So you have to click on that. It will show the marks. Okay, no problem. Those who are not able to see the marks or view the mark, so we'll share your marks via your email. Don't worry about that. Okay. With the test response, what you submitted, we'll share that. Vidi, can you refresh the page once again? Manikanta, I just informed that you will receive that and you confirm okay on the same. Okay, Vidi, no problem. That's okay. No, guys, test will be closed at 8:30. So you have to submit before that only. Vinay Kumar 23. Okay, good try. Sagar 58 out of 100. Okay, good try, Sagar. Tanvi is saying 66 out of 100. Okay, great. So somebody is asking me for the attendance link. So we'll share the attendance link in the last 5 minutes. 60. Pragati Kana 76. Wow, good guides. So those who are not able to see, don't worry. You will receive an email for the marks as well. Seema 42, 34, Samadhan 47, Pooja 49. Okay, good try, guys. 53, Rakshita. Okay, Rakshita. Anybody is there? 100 out of 100. 60. Jaidev 60. Ashish 63. 76. Manikanta, you have to see that. What mark you got? Okay. Shivam Ingre 66. Nikita 74. Good. Sagar, can you please what you're asking me? Manikant, please don't be a smart. If I'm answering you, you're just asking me again and again. It's not good, okay? Sir, based on upon this code, you can give the certification. Yes, so those who are going to do top in the test, they will get extra one certificate of appreciation from extra team. Okay. Archana 42, sir. Okay, good try, Archana. So guys, last 10 minutes. So please make sure that you're submitting your test before 8:30 only. Okay. So my don't worry about that. I check my email also, but there is no link of the mark presentation. Vaishnavi Pandit 42. Okay. YouTube participant, are you there? Okay. Rushikesh Deshpande 53. Vaibhav Pandey 24. Anusha 61. Good. Good score, guys. I'm just waiting for that 100 out of 100. Anybody is there? Nitin 59. Sheikh Abbas 51. Madhushri 68. Okay. Geeta 53. Good, guys. Good. Attendance link, sir, please share because I have another class at 8:15. So I want to attend that class. So can you please share the attendance link? Sorry to say, but I'm not able to share the attendance link. So you can wait or else you can fill the attendance later. Sir, I got 23. Vaishnavi 34. Abhinav Khod 60. Okay. Guys, one more time, I'm announcing that attendance link will be shared in the last 5 minutes. Okay, don't worry about that. I'm going to share, but please wait for the same. Okay, is it clear? Somebody is there telling, sir, I think it's impossible to get 100 because we get some questions from non-tech concept. It's not possible at all because whatever we covered in the last 7 days, we mentioned that questions only, Sandeep. Okay. 59, and definitely the participant will be there who got the 100 out of 100. Arya got 51. Okay. 8 more minutes to close the test. Yes, Sandeep, sure, let's see. Some questions don't have correct answer. Is it, Amit? Don't worry, Saloni, you will receive that as well. Bhaskar Nayak, Vidate, 47, sir. Okay, Bhaskar. Sir, certificate? Yeah, don't worry. I said, no, I'm going to explain each and everything. So be there till the last minute. How can I see my results, sir? So after submitting, there is one option to view your score. So if you click on that, it will show your marks. If you are not able to see now and you already submitted your test, so don't worry. By tomorrow, you will receive an email how many marks you receive with your response as well. Sir, 24 marks, sir. Okay, Prashant, good try. No problem. You can go through the recordings, practice again and again. Definitely, it will be beneficial for you. Bhagavi is 54. Sir, who got 100 marks? Will that person only will get the appreciation certificate, sir, or who got highest marks? So those who are like top 10 toppers will get that. Hello, sir. My name is Pradnya. I got 72 marks and thank you to you for your support and this great opportunity. Thank you so much, Pradnya, for such a kind word. Sir, 40 for me. Okay. I am Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit. I know that. I'm able to see your name. You're Ranjit. Tell me, how should I help you? Sir, from how we get the certificate? Yes, guys, don't worry about the certificate. I will explain that as well. Send the attendance link. So attendance link will be shared in the last 5 minutes. 64 marks. Good. 42. Okay, good try. Sir, 40 for me. Can I get the certification or not? Don't worry. Prashant, 98. Yes. Okay, Prashant. Good. If you received the 98 marks, definitely it's very good. Okay, so now we are on 98. Last 6 minutes are there. Let's see anybody is there on 100. Let me check the comment over the YouTube as well. So Roshni Pandey 57, Harshita N 43. Okay, good. 59, Akanksha 59. Okay. Akhil 76. Okay. Sarla or not, what not? You will get, don't worry about this. That. I'm not perfect person to answer this question, Pragati. Don't worry, we'll share the insights on that as well. Hello, sir. Disconnected lecture network issue. Okay, so you rejoined now, na? So no problem. Sir, result. Nandini 44. Guys, last 5 minutes. Four minutes. Akanksha is asking, sir, as for revision purpose, recordings will be available on XLR website. Yes, you will have access of LMS for lifetime. You can access that anytime. सर सर्टिफिकेट कंपल्सरी आहे का? जर तुमची अटेंडन्स 60% जास्त असेल तर सर्टिफिकेट इज कंपल्सरी अँड यू विल गेट दॅट ॲज वेल. हिमांशु सिंगल सर अटेंडन्स लिंक गाइज I will share. Wait. So last 3 minutes, guys. Make sure you're submitting your test by 8:30 because you're working on your test from 1 hour. And if I close that, then you're not able to submit. Sir, I scored 50 out of 100. Okay, good. We are on 98. Prashant got the 98 mark. I am waiting for 100. Sir, I got 40, 37, 43, 48, and again attendance link. Okay. Those who are asking me for the attendance link, I am not able to see your mark. So you can share the marks first, then I will share the attendance link. Sir, I got 60. Vaibhav 57. Sudarshan 60. Okay. Guys, last 2 minutes. Pradna is saying me, sir, at the end, please announce the top 10 winners' name who got the appropriate certificate. Yes, definitely. I'm going to show the top 10 toppers of this training program. Okay. Sir, yesterday I have not marked my attendance. It will get any problems, sir. So, Sai, 60% attendance is mandatory. Yeah, no problem, Pradna. It's okay. Ashok Kumar, 45. YouTube participants are also there, and Anishka for 74, Afroja 30, Rani 61, Neha Kumar 57. Guys, last 1 minute sharp at 8:30. I'm closing the test. I hope all of you are done with your test and submitted your test. Let me confirm in the chat box. Zoom and YouTube participant, you are done. Yes or no? Quick. Yes, done. Okay, good. Very good. Wonderful, guys. No, and you're saying no here. You have to submit the test 1 minute and you're replying me no. How it's possible? Submit your test quick. Last 1 minute. Guys, in last 1 minutes, how's the situation in the exam hall? 49A, 50A, 51B, like that. So you have to do like that now. It's last 1 minute. And I am closing the test. Okay, done. Now you are not able to submit. 30 more seconds. Last 30 seconds to submit your test. And the countdown is start. 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds. My watch is running up fast, but I don't have any option. Okay, and I am closing the test. Thank you so much, dear participant, for submitting your test. And today, to share some valuable words and for vote of thanks, we have the FOFY manager, Ms. Nitya ma'am, with us. So, Nitya ma'am, please take it forward and share your valuable feedback and few words to the students.
Yeah, thank you, Amar. Thank you for those words. Well, good evening to all those who are present here for today. So, as we are marking the last day of your training program, that is Basics of Programming with Java at XLR. So, I extend heartfelt congratulations to all the participants for having a fabulous learning at XLR with Mr. Krishna Kumar and having you I mean being present, being promptly attending this class from 6:30 to 8:30 and being so anxious and learning, and as well I see the comments and through the chat a lot of students who are very keen on knowing more and more information on a regular basis. So, with all of these, so I would say that definitely we have more exciting news from XLR, which will where we would want to constantly engage you in terms of all the professional development. So, which I would be talking to you towards the end. So much before that, I would just want a virtual feel for self and XLR to see that how happy you are with this training program. So I would be happy to see the cheers through emojis on the screen, which will make happy everyone and which will also help us in improvising or learning modules, as well the making the class even more engaging. So it's time for us to see the thumbs up or some emojis which you are really happy with. Okay, so I see that. Come on, hurry up. We don't have much of time. So we need to be a little more faster because a lot of other things are also in place which we will have to close it. Thank you, Yashvi, KK. How about others? Are you all not excited? Are you all not happy with the training and learning? And if at all, if you would want to learn and get upskilled constantly, definitely I need an emoji because that only will help us in constantly engaging students. Yeah. Okay. So I would give a loud applause for those who have commented and those who are quiet too. So your dedication has undoubtedly laid the foundation for your success as well. And it excites us for giving more and more learning here. So we are immensely proud of all your accomplishments in terms of the learnings, and very soon you will also be seeing your scores too. Okay, so as we are concluding this training, so I am happy to announce about the CRT Campus Recruitment Training Program, which is of first of its kind because of the placement assistance, and which is tentatively to be started from 18th of December, that is on Monday onwards between 6:30 to 8:30. And here I would like to highlight a few points where what makes us unique is that this program is being mapped with a lot of corporates and colleges. And we have seen that constantly those are the topics which are being constantly asked in the interviews, and we would be training those topics for the students on weekdays and weekends. So weekdays you will have training on soft skills, life skills, and quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability. And on weekends, you will have technical learnings where you will have basic algorithms and a few learnings, which is definitely required to crack interviews. Basically, that is a whole thing. And this is absolutely free. Okay. And adding to it, we have a selection criteria which will be towards generally it will be in the beginning, and then there would be absorption into the campus recruitment training, but here it is towards the end. And this selection criteria is primarily for your selection at the corporate, so it will be a bridge where we can help you to connect to the corporates, and your placement assistance is at our end, provided you have your performance really doing good with your engineering as well as at XLR. Okay. So with that note, I would want you all to mark your calendars for this program, which is starting on 18th December, that is on Monday, which offers a complete transformative learning experience that goes beyond the ordinary. Okay. And so with that, uh, I would request Amar to share the WhatsApp link so that you are constantly knowing about the other offerings which we are having it. So please join our group, WhatsApp group. The link will be shared by Amar in some time, and so that you get to know that which are the other upcoming programs. So thank you all for having you all here at XLR for a 6-day journey in an educational journey, learning a lot on the basics of programming with Java, and counting on and expecting you also to be part of the upcoming program. So thank you all for supporting your aspirations and witnessing your continued success. So wishing you all the best for your professional. So with this, so Amar, you can share the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I just shared the WhatsApp link, WhatsApp channel link with you guys. So you can follow us on WhatsApp channel, and that will be great. So share all the information with you regarding the upcoming programs.
And Amar, you can probably drop in yours and mine email ID too. So in case if they have any queries, they can connect. Or if
Yeah,
not, mine. Yeah, it's up to you. So you can just drop in so that they will be able to connect with us.
yeah, sure. I will share that as well. So guys, I just shared the WhatsApp link with you. So please make sure that you are going to follow us on the channel. Okay, WhatsApp channel. I hope all of you are know about the WhatsApp channel because you are using WhatsApp each and every day. Attendance link. I'm going to share the attendance link. Without attendance link, I'm also not going to leave the session. Okay. So now I am going to assign you one task and I will do one task for you. Okay. Anita, you are done or you have anything else to share with them?
I'm done with it. So you can just go ahead with the WhatsApp link.
Yeah, I just shared the WhatsApp. Now I
Yeah.
will give the task of GMB reviews to the students and I will work on the top 10 toppers. Okay. So guys, I know that each and every day you are giving the wonderful feedbacks in the attendance. Today, I need your live feedback on our GMB page. So I'm sharing the GMB link over the Zoom and YouTube as well. So I'm requesting each and every participant, please go ahead, click on that link, submit your feedback with faster rating. I just want to show that how enjoy a lot you in the all 7 days. Okay, so I'm sharing the link. So whenever I'm sharing the links, there are 3 links for GMB. Okay, one is for Maharashtra, one is for Karnataka location, and third one is for others. So those who are from Maharashtra use the Maharashtra link, those who are from Karnataka use the Karnataka link, and those who are not belonging from these 2 locations, Maharashtra and Karnataka, use other. Okay, give me 1 minute. So guys, Zoom participant, I shared the GMB page links with you, and the YouTube participant, I'm sharing that. Now you have 5 minutes of time, okay, to submit your feedback. Meanwhile, I will work on your assessment. Who are there who got the good marks, like top 10 toppers of this training program? Once you're done with your feedback, just confirm in the chat box, and I want each and everyone to submit the feedback. Okay, GMB means Google My Business. Done. Wow, wonderful. सर लिंक ओपन नाही आहे महाराष्ट्राची. अरे इट्स ओपन. Let me share all the links with you again. 1 minute. Let's give me 1 minute. It's open, sir. Thank you, Sagar. Done. Okay. Guys, once you're done, let me confirm in the chat box as you're done. After that, I will show you the marks, top 10 toppers. And then again, I have a couple of announcements. Done. Okay, good. Feedback link I have not received because Jadip I am not shared. And I am from Andhra Pradesh. Yes, so you can use be like there is one link, other. So you can use that link. Done, done, done. Okay, wonderful. Guys, you have 3 more minutes to complete your task. Then I will show the top 10 toppers. Okay, I am done, sir. Done, done, done. Okay. Thank you so much. YouTube participants, are you there? Are you submitting the feedback? Great. You have 2 more minutes to complete your task. Then I will show the result. Okay. If you're facing any difficulty, so I'm sharing the Nitya ma'am email ID with you. So anytime you can just drop an email. We'll help you on the same. Okay, if you have any query or question. But coming to the certifications, you can drop an email to edel@excel.com. But don't worry, I will explain about the certification. What is the scenario? Then and then only you can go ahead. Okay. So Guys, I know that. I believe on you. I have trust on you. From last 7 days, I'm seeing you here in the session. So now it's time to show the result. Okay. Guys, are you excited or not? Yes, 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 yes. Wonderful. Okay. So are you able to see my screen? So the top 10 toppers. First one is Saloni More, 78 out of 100. Second, Kana, 76 out of 100. Aula Shirisha, 76. Then Sripati Akil, 76. Nikita, 74. Monisha, 74. Pradna, 72. Niveda, 69. Mrunal, 68. And Roban Mari, 68. Guys, are you there? Those who are here in the list, are you there? I want to see your reaction. Oh, Pradna is there. Then Sirisha is also there. Saloni is also there. Wonderful. Now, one more announcement. Those who are there on the screen, you will receive a surprise gift from XLR team. Okay. So you will receive a call and team will help you with the more information regarding to the certificates and gift as well. Okay. Now, okay, I'm just stop share screen. I will share the contact details or email ID of Nitya ma'am. So if going forward, if you're facing any difficulty, you have to upskill your skills, definitely you can drop an email. Give material of Java. Yes, so whatever material we covered in the session, we'll share all the material over the LMS. Okay. Done. Now, next announcement. Those who are looking a career transition with the help of XLR, see, as we are providing the full stack development classes as well in offline and online mode as well. Okay, the course duration will be for 6 months with the placement assistant and job interview guarantee. Certificate from IBM and NASCOM, and you will get the 3 months of internship certificate as well. And this program comes under the placement assistant. Okay, so those who are looking a career counseling, the career counseling is open for all. Okay, and is free of cost. So our industry experts will connect with you. You have any query or question, they will answer your question. So I am sharing the career counseling link in the Zoom and YouTube as well. So I'm requesting all of you, those who are looking for a career transition, or you have any query or question regarding to your job, okay, so please fill that form. Our team will connect with you personally via call. Okay, I shared that link in the Zoom and YouTube as well. Now 2 more minutes to submit the form, then we'll go to the certificate and then I will share the attendance link. Okay, and then we'll wind up for the day. Siddhi, so just fill that form. Our industry expert will help you on the more information from details, from the basics to advanced, whatever the queries, question you have, you can ask them. And we are open for visits as well at our offline locations. Be like in Pune, we have 2 offices, Baner, Viman in Mumbai, Andheri and Thane, then Bangalore, then Hyderabad, then Chennai. We have a couple of offices. You can visit our offices as well. But before visiting, just fill that form. Our team will share all each and every information with you. Sir, can you please announce one more time of top 10 people? Hey, I just shared that. Na? Sir, I am already registered for the session, but I didn't get any mail, the Zoom link. But I listen all the classes in YouTube. Can I get the participation certificate? So, Meghna, on each and every day, sharp at 8 o'clock, I used to share the attendance link on both the platform. Like on three of the platform, LMS, Zoom, and YouTube. If you mark your attendance and it's more than 60%, you will get that. Okay. Sir, you have office in Gujarat? No, sorry. सर किती डेज आहे लेक्चर? कोणतं लेक्चर? I hope Naneshwari, what's your question? You raise the hand. What is the gift? So team will let you know. If your name is there in the top 10 list, you will receive a call from the XLR team. Okay. Okay. Now I would like to do the next announcement as well. So coming to the certification part, those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the session, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days. Guys, clear? Simple. Those who mark their attendance more than 60% or 60% at least, they will receive their certificate via registered email ID within 7 to 8 working days once you receive the certificate. Okay, hear me carefully. Okay, once you receive the certificate, share that certificate on LinkedIn as your new achievement with the XLR, and don't forget to tag us as well. Please tag XLR solution on LinkedIn. Okay, whenever you are posting. So now I am able to see 260 and approximately 350 plus participant. I want all of your certificate on the LinkedIn. I'm going to check, and our XLR team is also going to check and celebrate your new achievement. Okay, attendance I'm going to share now. The turn of attendance, the most vetted thing, attendance thing I'm going to share. Don't worry. Okay, now let me share the attendance link. Now you have any query or question for me, let me know in the chat box. I will help you on the same. Those who are done with their feedback, their career counseling form, if you are followed us on the WhatsApp channel, and you have each and every information, now I'm sharing the attendance link. Once you're done, you can leave the session. And thank you so much, all of you, for making this training program successful. Without your participation, it's not possible. And I want to see you, each and everyone, in the next program of CRT as well. Okay? Are you excited for that as well, no, guys? Where is the attendance link? Today, I'm not able to find the attendance link. Guys, wait a minute. Let me check the attendance link. Yes, now attendance link is there with me. I will share with you. Sorry, I didn't get the attendance link yet because I didn't share it yet. Hyderabad location, can you send us, sir? We have our office in Cyber Tower at Hyderabad. Guys, anyone have any feedback, any response, any suggestion? Let me know in the chat box. I'm waiting for that. Yeah, you will say that, sir, given a time to submit all these things. Now, sir is not giving a time to submit the attendance. Take your time, take a 2 minutes, submit your attendance, and then you can share your feedback. Okay. Just sure, guys. Still, you're saying I not received the attendance link. Guys, I'm waiting for your words. Okay, I'm sharing that once again. Sir, your patience and handling things so good, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for such kind words. Sir, very happy to hear about the upcoming programs, which was very much required. Thank you. Sir, I didn't receive the attendance link. No problem. I will share that again. You2 participant, are you there? If you are there, I want your like. Let's hit the like quick. Which is the next course? So next course is there on CRT, campus recruitment training, and you will get notified via your WhatsApp and again your email as well. And we already shared the WhatsApp link, WhatsApp channel link with you. I hope all of you are followers. Guys, just 1 minute. WhatsApp link is not opening. How it's possible? Lots of people are already followers. If you want, I will share it once again. You were explaining very well, sir, and supporting. Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. Sir, can you share the top 10 list once again, sir? Okay. So you're requesting me from last 5-10 minutes. I'm just sharing my screen once again. You can just take a look on that. Bhagyashri, thank you for your support, sir. Guys, you're always welcome. We are always there for you. Anytime, feel free to reach us via email. We'll be there. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, here is the top 10 list. Who is asking me? Nandakesho, please check it now. You're welcome. We need a material to study, sir. Guys will upload all the material over the LMS, so you can check it by tomorrow afternoon. It will be there. Okay, I have attended only 3 classes, sir. Can I get the certificate? Sorry, you are not able to get the certificate because 60% attendance is mandatory. So your attendance will be like 40%. Thank you for patience at everything and explaining clearly. Thank you, Nitya. Learn a lot. Great. Guys, we have 2-3 more minutes. Let me know.
Thank you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining. Who is there? Sir, काल मी lecture केलं. Sorry, my Marathi is not that much good, but I will try. Sir, काल मी lecture केलं, पण attendance नाही केली. So you have to mark your attendance. Sir, in assessment, how much marks we got for the certificate? So, be like participation certificates are going to receive to them those who are already marked their attendance more than 60%. Okay, but the top 10 toppers will get the appreciation certificate from the XMR. Okay, how I got the certificate? You will got your certificate via email. Is this class last, sir? Yes, today is the last class of this training program, but don't worry, no need to fear, because we are there. We're coming with CRT training program and you will get notified as soon as possible, so don't worry about that. Nice way of explaining, sir, the
So
concept.
for that, Amar, tell them to join our WhatsApp group and follow our pages, social media pages, so that they get to know the latest updates about the program.
Absolutely right. So guys, I'm sharing the WhatsApp channel link once again over the Zoom and YouTube. So please go there. Follow us. You will get each and every information about the upcoming training programs from the XLR on that group. Okay. Who is there? Thank you so much for your support. You're welcome. Thank you so much, sir, for your words and patience. You're welcome, guys. Sir, only based on attendance, the certificate is distributed. It's not like that. Okay. You're welcome, Bhagyashri. Sir, may I leave the session? Yes. So those who don't have any query or question, you can leave the session. All the best for your future endeavors. Take care of yourself and take care of your family. And we'll see you in the next series. Okay. Keep coding, keep practicing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Pushpa is saying, I am not present in 1, 2, 3 class because I am not marked the attendance. Please send me the day 1, day 2, day 3 attendance. Pushpa, how it is possible? Because attendance link only used to open for 1 hour. See, we are not able to share the past attendance. Sorry for that. But to get the certificate, don't worry. You can attend the next program. We have option as well. Sir, I have missed 2 lecture. I got the certificate or not? Mansi, definitely if you check like that, so you will get. We need interview skill to crack and get hired by company. Is there any program or session by you? Yes, AP, that's what I'm saying. CRT means campus recruitment training. In that will cover a lots of things to crack your job interviews only. Okay, so don't worry. Rahul is saying top 10 list once again, please. Please, you can go through the recordings, you will get that. I'm extremely sorry, I'm not sharing. Sir, I was Mr. 2 class, sir. Can I get the certificate? Probably you will get SEMA. So, guys, one more announcement. So, after 7 8 days, I inform that in 7 8 days, you will receive the certificate. If in case you are feeling, hey, my attendance is more than 60%, still have you not shared the certificate? So, don't worry, we are open. You can drop an email to edl@thexplorer.com. We'll check your attendance, we'll check your certificate status, and we'll let you know. Okay. So I'm sharing that email ID as well with you. So please note it down. Guys, I hope all of you enjoyed a lot from last 7 days. Enjoyed, no? Yes, very good. 2 more minutes and we'll close the session. Basics of programming with Java, day 7 attendance link. Sir, yes, please, Seema, tell me, what's your question? Attendance link, Seema just shared, no? You can mark. Now no one is having any query or question. Okay, so it's time to say a bye, not goodbye, it's time to say a bye. We'll see you again. Okay, there is one more thing. Thank you for not considering genuine issue. I have already attended XLR 40 classes with full attendance. May I know the training program name? Dr. T. Leelavate. I'm sorry for that. If the team is not replied on the same, plus let me know. Please wait, yes, I'm waiting for you and I'm sharing my contact number with you, sir. So, sir, ma'am, sorry. So you can connect with me. Definitely, if your attendance is there, I will help you on the same. 89503716. Yes, I shared that and I'm waiting for your reply. Yes, please. Yogi 7 8 days. There's one very good question. How we can know about our attendance percent? So you only know that how many session you attended out of 7. Total number of session is 7. Okay, just divide how many you attended, multiply by 100, your percentage in our screen. Okay, am I right? You are welcome. Guys, we are done. So you can leave. I just have another query. So you can leave and we'll see you again. Excellent XLR session. Thank you. Sir, in the attendance form, the address option, we have to enter our home address or college address. So you can enter your home address. Yes, I'm reading your question. You need to paste it again and again. Never before, never after. Okay. Wonderful. You're welcome, Sunita. Virtual training for artificial intelligence. So, okay. You want to say generative AI and chat GPT or which has happened in the 2-3 months ago? You want to say that? Because on the artificial intelligence in last 5-6 months we are done with the 2-3 program. So don't worry, sir. I shared my contact number with you. You have EDL email as well. So just drop me a WhatsApp message. We'll check on the same. Okay. And genuinely sorry from my side if you not received the reply on the same. March 2022. Oh, I'm extremely sorry. March 2022. What to say, sir? But no problem. Still, you can message me. I will check on the same. So, guys, thank you so much.